Welcome back. We're going to be working on Google Docs again, but first, what is Google Docs? Google Docs is like a big digital piece of paper. Instead of writing with a pencil, we type on the computer. Instead of erasing, we can undo mistakes. And instead of losing our work, Google Docs saves everything automatically. Now, people use Google Docs to write stories, make lists, take notes, and work on projects with friends. And today we're going to make our words look fun and exciting using the Google Docs menu. So let's get started. Now, before we begin, we have to learn the right way to click on a word. If we don't click the right way, the whole page might move, and we don't want that. So here's the best way. So we click once on the word. And when we do that, we have that cursor, that blinking eye, and we double click on the word to highlight it, just like that. Or we can also use our keyboard. So when you use your keyboard, you would click on the word or in front of the word for that cursor, that blinking eye, and then you would hold down your shift button, and then you can hold down your arrow key. You can just use that right arrow key and keep going while you're holding the shift button down until the whole word is highlighted. So pause the video right now and let's practice clicking on a word the right way and then come right back. Now today you're going to see a list of words and each word's going to have a very special job. After I show you how to do something, I want you to pause the video and go do it before coming back for the next step. So we're going to click on the very first word, beach. So right now I want you to put your blinking eye, your cursor right there and then double click. Now that beach is highlighted or selected, we want to go up to the menu bar and choose the font box. So it's right here. And I want you to click inside right there and you get to choose any font or style of letters that you want to use. So you can choose a fun one. Some are fancy, some are silly, and some are big and bold. So pause the video and change the font of the first word and then come back. So I've chosen this font, Windy One. What did you choose? And for this one, I want you to put your cursor right there. And since this is two words, I want you to hold down your shift button and use your arrow key to go all the way to the end of roller coaster. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to make the font bigger. So we want to make these letters larger. So next up here on the menu bar, next to the number 17, I want you to use the plus sign and just click on it and make it larger. Pause and go do that now. Now I want you to put your cursor in front of the word unicorn and hold down your shift button and use the arrow key and highlight the word unicorn. Now we're also going to make this word bigger by clicking on that plus sign and making it larger. Pause and do that now. Now we're going to click on the third word in our list and we're going to highlight the word pizza. So put your blinking eye there, shift button and your arrow key and highlight the word pizza. Now we're going to add some color. Now we're going to go to the menu bar where we see the letter A with a black line under it and click on that and that will help us change the color of the letter. So go ahead and click any color you would like. Next, we're going to go to the word soccer. Put your cursor or blinking eye right before the S in soccer, hold down your shift key, and then use your arrow key and highlight the word soccer. Come up to the A with the black line under it, click on that and choose another color. Pause and do that now. Now we're going to try some other buttons on the toolbar. We're going to try the B for bold, I for italic, and U for underline. So we're going to go to the word puppy. Put your cursor or your blinking eye at the P. Now hold down your shift button and your arrow key. Now let's go up to the B and click that, and you can see that it puts the word in bold. We can use the I for italic and it puts it in italics. And then if you use the U, it will also underline the word. So you're going to do that for puppy and the word art. Pause and do that now. Now for the next two words, space and soccer, we're going to have a little bit more fun. We're going to add either an emoji or an image. So here is what we'll do. First, place your cursor right after the word space. Now go up to the word insert and choose emoji. When you click on emoji, you can see the different emojis we have here. Select an emoji for that word. Pause and do that now. Now for the next word, soccer, please put your cursor right after the word soccer. Go back up to the word insert and choose image. And then make sure you click that word image and very carefully hover over to where you see search the web. And that will open up a menu bar over here. And I want you to type the word soccer, SOCCER, and then press enter. It's very important you press enter. Once you've pressed enter, I want you to come down and choose an image for soccer. Click on that image and then press the blue button insert. And then we have a picture of a soccer ball. Pause and do that now. So now, here's a bonus if you'd like to try. Do you want to change the whole color of your page? What we'll do is we'll go up to the word File and go all the way down to Page Setup. Once you're on Page Setup, we're going to see that we have Pages or Page Less. If you click on Page Less, then you're able to come down here where it says background color and click on that arrow, and you can choose whatever color you'd like and then press OK, and now your entire page has changed colors. You did it! You just learned how to use Google Docs to make words look amazing. Now, you take a look at your work. Does everything look colorful, bold, and fun? When you're done, it's time to turn your paper in on Google Docs or raise your hand and ask your teacher for help. Great job, and I'll see you next time.